Hello everyone. I know we currently have a shortage of toilet paper, so to help your toilet paper last longer, I have a solution right here. As you can see, this is a toilet paper. You know, we still have about 3 sheets to go. Tear off a sheet after your after your bum. Alright, and stick your finger through the toilet paper, just like this. And when you're ready to wipe, just, go ahead and wipe clean the area. And then you can easily use this toilet paper to wipe your finger, just like that. And then you can toss it. You can make your toilet paper last longer. Alright? Take care. Follow me for more recipes and solutions to your everyday problems. Thank you.